Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to earn money using the Brave browser. I'll guide you through the setup step by step, so let's get started. So first, open up Brave on your computer, and once it loads, look near the address bar in the top right corner and click the bat triangle icon. So this opens Brave Rewards, which lets you earn bat while browsing. Next, click Start Using Brave Rewards. So BAT or BAT stands for Basic Attention Token, and it is Brave's built-in cryptocurrency. You can earn it by viewing privacy-focused ads instead of regular ads that you choose your country or region from the drop-down menu, then click Continue. So this helps Brave show ads that are available in your location. And once this setup is complete, you can begin earning BAT through Brave Rewards. The BAT that you collect will be added to your rewards wallet, where you can later withdraw it or use it to support content creators. And that is it. Brave Rewards is now active and you can start earning BAT while browsing. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.